Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 403 on PC or showing Roblox authentication failed error code 403. So let's go through it. So what you need to do is first go to settings on your system, then click on network and internet. Now click on advanced network settings. After that click on get help. Then click on run network tests. So after that wait for some time and again click on network reset, then click on reset now option. After this you need to press Windows plus R. Now type app data, then go to the local folder and here you need to find Roblox. After that delete it and then launch Roblox game and check if you can play it. If not, you need to uninstall the Roblox and again reinstall it. So for that, simply click on the three dot icon, simply search for Roblox and then from here you can easily uninstall the game. Once it is uninstalled, now restart your PC. After restarting, again log into the app and check if you can play it without any further problem. So by this way you can easily fix Roblox authorization error 403 or authentication error 403 on PC.